Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock POCO M8 without password. Okay, but before we begin, let's discuss a few things. First thing is, please only try to unlock your phone and no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime and that's also unethical. Second thing is that we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode and all of our data will be erased from our phone. I'm sorry, but that's the only way. Third thing is that after the reset, when we get into the setup process, we will have to verify ourselves because it will appear because we are resetting our phone using recovery mode, and we'll have to sign in into the same Google account into which we were logged in before the reset. So you need to have that in mind. Okay, if you want to continue, power off your device. Click on power button and volume up button and select power off. Okay, now we need to enter recovery mode. We need to hold power button and volume up button at the same time until we see the POCO logo. When it appears, release the finger from power button but keep holding volume up. So hold two buttons. When POCO logo appears, release the finger from power button but keep holding volume up. Just like that. We are in the recovery mode. Now, using volume keys, select wipe data and confirm by clicking power button. Again, wipe all data. Now, confirm. The process will begin. Okay, data wiped successfully. Select back to main menu, confirm, reboot, and reboot the system. Now our device will be turned on. And the next thing that we have to do is to go through the setup process. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.